So this is the Samsung Q900R, the company's latest 8K TV. This is the 65-inch model, which I have right behind me. And welcome to our setup video. Yeah, it's a little bit of unboxing in this as well, but you get to see how this TV is set up, how it functions, all that fun stuff. Now, this is no review, but we've got a lot of fun content in this video. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and let's jump in. The Q900R is a lovely TV set, although thicker in terms of width than most regular 4K TVs. Now, setting the TV up is an interesting process because I started looking for the TV stands in the box and realized after about 15 minutes that it's actually mounted behind the TV, which is cool. So if you wanted to wall mount this, you go ahead without even touching the mounts. But you can see how easy it is to just take off the stands for the TV and then connect them, which is just super cool. I love this really simplistic approach. Now you can do it a wide mount or of course a narrow mount, depending on what you want to do. I'm giving you a very nice flush look, and I like the whole back array. Now that's where you want to connect the cable connects to the TV. They've got a path that you can wrap it around to make clean cable management. You want to connect the box right here. This box is a little heavier because it's the 8K version, more processing power in here. As you can see just how it looks, it's pretty flush. You've got all the ports you need in there. Of course, you've got your power, your antenna, you've got your HDMI ports as well. You've got your LAN, optical, and of course the one connector port itself. Now on the side you've got USB ports, the USB 2.0. I wish it was 3.0, but it is 2.0 here. So the TV, when you turn it on, Samsung QLED 8K comes up. This is an 8K TV. It upscales all your content into 8K. What I like about this setup process, this is one of the easiest ones out there, is that once you turn the TV on, gives you the language you're looking at. You can select your language, whichever one you use for your TV, but then it prompts you to use the app, the SmartThings app, and you can do this either if you're Samsung owner, you've already got it built in, you can download it on Android or iOS, and you're good to go. It finds your TV right away, and then you start the process. Select where you want to put the TV in, home, it's my living room. I'm going to add that next, and then I'm going to go through the process here. Now this is the cool part about it, because what it does here is it gives you a pin prompt, which you go ahead and you type in that pin, and then it's so fast because as I'm talking you through this, it's a relatively fast process of just setting up the TV and going through the process of basically syncing in and giving you everything you want. So right now the process is going on the TV, says setting up through SmartThings, and boom. Before, setting up TVs used to be so difficult and long, and also a lot of processes that you have to actually go through to make it happen, which this is not the case. So next up, of course, is accepting the agreements, which you have to do for all devices nowadays. So you agree to all that, hit OK, and then it continues the process here, registering your TV to Samsung account, which I already signed into. So once you have your Samsung account, there's certain things that will bring down. So in my case, because this is of course a smart TV, things like SmartThings will show up in there, and then I also set up my TV settings as well. Go ahead and hit next there. I'm just taking this a little slower than it actually is. It's really a fast process, but I'm trying to make it as simplistic as possible. Also recognizes what connectors you have. So I have a few things on. My Xbox was off. If it was on, it would actually showcase as Xbox there, or my PlayStation, or even my Nintendo Switch. So I like that aspect about it. And the process again is really smooth and fast. And here I'm going to enter, of course, my zip code. And from there, you're signed in and you already have TV playing, because TV Plus gives you digital, free high def content. And you can see you have the plethora of menus for the speakers, for picture mode, amplification. You even now have a, app management or OS management, which is new. I like that. It's different, sets it up well. What I like about this TV is how good it is vibrant. When you're watching content on this thing, it looks good. You know, the stuff on I'm watching here on Netflix, which is upscaled to 8K, looks really good. It just really sharp and vibrant. YouTube content, 8K content on there looks very, very nice. You get to enjoy this TV to the fullest. And stay tuned when I do my gaming video and also do my my full review on this. You get a good idea. Gaming on here looks really nice. Now, this is not recorded at 60 frames per second, but it also has FreeSync built into the TV. So if you're connecting your gaming PC, which I'll be doing, you get a whole different atmosphere with this TV set. So anyway, guys, if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, stay tuned, and let me know what you want to find out more about this TV. I'll tell you in my full video review, and also my gaming review of the Samsung Q900R 8K TV. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, hit the notification bell, and always enjoy your entertainment.